Well, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm Witt, and today I'm excited to be opening up my first Seiko watch. First, a wrist check. Right now I'm wearing the Lamar's 4677, recently acquired from Watch Gang, and I've kind of dressed it down a little bit with a Barton brand silicone strap. Pretty nice. A review of this watch coming up soon after I've had some more time to wear it and enjoy it. But today, I was shopping for one of the new updated 5 Series Seikos, and I came across a watch that for many was their first automatic movement, the SNK800s from the previous round of the 5 Series. Now, I immediately shifted gears and became fascinated with this field watch and its legacy that so many speak of. So I thought, no way am I jumping ahead of the line and headed right to the fancier Seikos. I'm starting at the bottom with this durable, rugged, simplistic timepiece. Now, this was the Seiko gateway for so many people. It's got the 7S26 movement, and I don't care that it's not hackable and there's no hand winding. I'm attracted to the great looks, especially in this green one that I've ordered, and its horological achievements. Now, while it hasn't been officially discontinued, the thought process is that when they're gone, they're gone. So since Seiko has introduced a new and improved 5 Series line, I decided might as well get a new one while I can. Now, these used to sell for around 50 or 60 bucks. I picked mine up for $85. So you can see the price is already rising. And the most popular version, the black dial model SNK809, is already disappearing from new stock. It can be found, but for about $118 at the time of this filming on Amazon. So I'll go over more of that in the future review video, but let's get to unboxing so you can see what the watch looks like and my reaction. So yeah, you see it's listed as $195 is the MSRP. I don't think they've ever sold for that, have they? Okay, there it is. It's a little Seiko pillow. It's had a little nice nighty-night, and it's shipping on the way here. And there it is. Now, see, this green, when you see it online, it looks like it's really kind of like a fluorescent lime-ish green. And it does here, too, in my camera, but in person, it's not quite as fluorescent, like bright. It's a little more olive drab green, closer to this color where the holes are. But there it is. And of course, it's moving a little. I mean, it's keeping time because it was moving in shipment, so it's into its power reserve, I imagine. There's the skeleton back. 7S26 movement. Look at that. That's just a great watch. That's timeless. Let's see if I can get you a loom shot. Great loom. Nice and bright. Same complaint as everyone else. You wish it had a double dot at the 12 setting so you could figure out what time it was if the watch were turned. But in this lighting here, obviously you can see the date complication, so that gives you an idea. But all right, and let's see it on. So this is it on. Now, I'll probably end up changing this band while the green is better in person than I thought it was online. I'm thinking about maybe doing a NATO strap or something. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so this is on my 8-inch wrist. And you can see I'm at the last hole, but I've got room there. It's not broken in yet, I'm sure. I mean, look at that. Oh, move my lighting. I'm sure once it's broken in, I mean, look, I can go to the, let's see, there's the 3rd notch, and that's super tight right now, but I'm sure when it breaks in that won't be. So that's another complaint that some people have said it was kind of dainty, but I think it looks great. That's not bad at all. I'm kind of used to, I have another watch that's about this size too, so, but that's 8-inch wrist. And you can see, I mean, it does look smaller by comparison, obviously, but look at that. That's a great watch. That's going to last for years and years. Better get you one before they're gone. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'm just starting out, but I've got plenty more videos planned, and I hope to continue to improve the quality as time goes on. So please subscribe so you get updated on new videos. And once again, thanks for watching Witt.